Prioritize your answer. Now, please understand the meaning of this. Supposing your answer consists of 3 or 4 parts, you must bring out that part of the answer which is most important. Can you give me an example where the answer, for example, Russia-Ukraine. What are the reasons for Russia-Ukraine war? Natural resources is one, security related is another. Yeah, so NATO, because they were trying to be a part of NATO. Fourthly, Russia considers Ukraine to be their original part of Russia. So hegemony. So there can be different parts of the answer. You have to bring out that part which is most important first. That is NATO. The Russia was having this feeling that if they join NATO, United States will be at their border. So that was the most important part. This is called as prioritizing your answer. Bring out that part which is the most important part first. Because then he will be impressed, the panelist. Oh, he knows. Probably he will say, okay, she knows about it. Let's proceed to the next question. But if you bring out that answer which is way down in terms of importance, then he will wait for that answer of NATO. Because NATO is the most important part. So bring out in order of priority. NATO is the first. The second, what was that? Natural resources is second. Security. Actually, security is related to NATO only. So security, NATO, natural resources, hegemony, history. So you must bring out that part which is, so number 1 will be security and NATO. Number 2 will be your natural resources. Number 3 will be historical. So if you bring out in that fashion, and that is possible only when you think, debate, and that piece of paper and pen which is lying in front of you, you can use that to your advantage.